What's going on, folks? I wanted to give you a look real quick about on a motorcycle. Pretty much I just took off this top of this motorcycle, the gas tank, and I'm into the carbs now. But on your bike, say for example this cord right here, which is pretty much is your idler adjustment cord, sometimes if you keep screwing these things too far, they can actually come completely out of your bike. This happens to be Kawasaki, so it's probably the same for most different cars. But if you ever was to screw this all the way out, I kind of want to show you where this would connect back into. I took everything off of this bike to get to it, but you may not have to do all that if you kind of can get a good idea where it goes to. You see my hand? And if you come right here, right there, right, hold on, right here, that's basically where it screws into. Right here the cord comes down. It's basically right in between your this side, right in the middle, in between your four basic chambers, pretty much right in the middle of that. If you look down, you'll see this right here, which is basically where your idler cord screws into right here. So if you was to accidentally unscrew yours, you can get it back in. You may not have to take off the whole top of the, you may have to take off your fuel tank in order to get to it. You may just be able to come from the bottom, kind of look up inside of there, and you may be able to see where it goes at. Once again, if you was to accidentally unscrew your idler cable out, it basically goes in between on most of them, the twos, 1, 2, right in between there. You can see where it goes at. It screws right into that. There's a little hole right there that it screws into. Matter of fact, if I spin it, you should be able to see it spin. That's basically goes into it. Screws right into that opening down there. Alright folks, once again, this is where you will have to rerun your idler cable at cord on a motorcycle, just in case for some reason you accidentally unscrewed it out of your bike. Alright, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.